Okay, welcome to VINDAL'S concept. Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. We are on everyday arithmetics or business math. Some people call it daily math, some people call it different things, word problems, commercial mathematics, anything you call it. I welcome you. And this is number 1. And remember, the question is November 2000. That November means GCE. So I can also say it's GCE question. All right, let's read. It said a man borrowed N naira at 15% per annum, simple interest. He paid back 49,875 after 5 years. Calculate the value of X and the simple interest. Now remember, there are three money. So there are three money in this question. The first one is amount. I would like to call it amount. And then another money is principal. This is another money, principal. And another one is interest. So if you are not careful, all of them are money, but you need to understand or differentiate one from the other. Now I want to start from this. Amount is something as principal, so I'm going to write P for principal, and A for amount, and I for interest. So amount is principal plus the interest. So the amount is the total. Principal is the amount you borrowed or amount you are using to start up a business. Interest is what it has been able to make after a given time. So the amount should be the biggest amount of money. That's the trick. So the trick is that amount should be the highest money. Principal should be the second biggest money. And interest should be the least money. So, but I know sometimes you can run into loss and some of these things may be different. But first, let me tell you. So this is the formula for amount. There is another one for amount. Sometimes we use this formula 1 plus R over 100 all raised to power n. You can also call this amount, but the problem is that this one is whenever the question has to do with compound interest. So whenever the question has to do with compound interest, you use this. But since this question is not about compound interest, it specifically made it clear that it is a simple interest. Therefore, we are going to go with this question, which is for interest, simple interest. Okay? All right, let's enjoy ourselves. Please, if you are hearing any sound from cartoon sound, please know that the children are the ones making the noise. But I'm sure that I got you. All right, let's go for the solution proper. Now I'm going to start by saying that amount is given as 49,875 naira. Please, you need to put that symbol for naira. And the principal is just X. And the interest is what I do not know. So what I'm going to say now is, since I said that amount is principal plus interest, so I'm going to have 49875, and this is going to be equal to X, which is the principal plus the interest. Therefore, the interest is going to be equal to 49875 minus X. This is going to be the formula for the interest. All right, but remember this: interest is given as principal times rate and time, all divided by 100. So this is the formula for interest. So if this is the formula for interest, I am going to substitute 49875 in this place of interest. Then I will take it off from there. So let's do it here. Therefore, I'm going to have 49. Okay, let me just have a better color. I love this one. So this is 49875 minus the principal is going to be equal to, in place of principal, I have X times, please, this is times, in place of rate, Remember the rate here is 15. Whenever the 15 is the rate, so 15, and what is the time? Time is 5 years, all divided by 100. Okay, so if I can make S the subject formula, then I have my answer here. So let's keep going. So I'm going to clean everything here. Oh, sorry. I'm going to clean this. Oh, don't clean too much. Okay, so I'll still work with this. Let me clean this now. Yeah, let me clean this part. All right, so I'm continuing. So I'm going to have that this is 49875 minus x is equal to 0.75x. You remember what I mean by that? Now, 15 times 5 is 75. 75 divided by 100 is 0.75, but x is that s has to multiply it. Therefore, I'm going to have 49875 is equal to 1.75x, because this minus is going up here to become plus. Therefore, I'm going to divide both sides. So I'm going to have 49875 divided by 1.75. 1.75. So the amount of money seen as the principal is given as 28,500. That is the value of x. So this value of x is 28,500. Please don't act up here. All right. Now to find my interest, remember this is what I gave you as an interest. So the interest is going to be 49,875 minus x. Remember x is there, which is 28,500. Therefore the interest is going to be equal to, let's do the calculation, which is 21. So it's going to be 21,375. Please remember is naira. Thank you for being part of this class. Remember, the first thing you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, comment and tell me what you understood from the lesson, share this video and always return. Bye. And as you are seeing this video, I have already uploaded number 3, number 2 and number 4, and we keep taking it up. I wish you success in your exam. Have a nice day.